Hi everyone, we're back. And today I'm joined by my friend, the Hulk. Now you may be familiar with Hulk from comic books, graphic novels, cartoons, even movies. He is considered a very big hero. Well, Hulk kind of has a challenge because he starts out looking like just a regular old everyday guy, but when he gets really angry about something, he turns color and grows and expands, and his anger kind of explodes, and he can be very destructive. Well, I was thinking about this character this week as I was seeing some things on the television, hearing some things on the radio about people getting hurt and people getting mistreated, and it was making me feel extremely angry. And I thought, I don't want to be like Hulk and explode in my anger. I want to channel that anger and put it to good use and have it give me energy to do good things. And so I want to share with you some mudra that help me to do that, and some breathing as well. Hey Hulk, are you up for helping us demonstrate mudra? Yeah? Okay. Well, we're going to start out with our hands like this, and we're going to place our thumb just touching our tall finger. And as we do this, we are going to inhale, nice 3-count inhale, hold for a count of 2, and then we're going to revolve our hands and move into jnana. Okay? Are you ready? Let's start with our hands like this. Touch our fingers in. Let's try that one more time. This mudra flow helps us stay in the present, not catastrophize or use our minds to make things seem worse and worse and worse, and to come into a place of harmony. When I do these mudra and this breathing, it helps me take that anger I might be feeling inside and channel that energy toward a good end. And I hope it does the same for you. Today, tonight, tomorrow, next week, whenever you're feeling a need to take those angry feelings you might be feeling and turn them into something good and powerful. Well, Hulk, we really appreciate you being here today to help us with this mudra flow. I was wondering, would you like to wave goodbye to our friends at home? You would? Bye, friends. Friends, we hope you have a great rest of the day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.